Hello. This video is going to focus on the educators' resources available through ProQuest SIRS Discoverer and how to get to them and what seems useful. So on the homepage, all the way to the right, is a link to educator resources. We are going to click on that. So there are three categories. I am most interested in focusing on the tools available. There are tutorials that are created for students, handouts that I will show you. There's an activities section. There's a collection of fiction, like plays and myths and read-alouds. There is a section that focuses specifically on maps. The Skills Discoverer is a skills-based help site. And then there's also a standards correlations tool. So what I want to show you is the Student Tutorial Middle School Edition. This is something that I use when I am teaching research in the library, and you are absolutely welcome to do the same. In fact, the subject tree branches is the subject of one of my tutorial videos on SIRS Discoverer. So, subject tree branch search, these are handouts that you would give your students or handouts that you can mine for some good language. Keyword searches is a great one when you are thinking about doing Boolean search terms with advanced search. So I recommend looking through this and seeing if there's anything you can find useful. The activities page has a great deal of good information. Visual literacy over here, hobbies, fun and quizzes, health and sports, arts and crafts, math and science, reading and language arts. I'm going to look at the editorial cartoons because that's got a great deal of visual literacy happening. So I'm sorting by date. I could also sort by Lexile level, low to high, or high to low. This is grade levels 3 to 4, having students look at a political cartoon and discuss what they're seeing and what the symbolism might mean is a pretty great thing to be able to do. And in reading and language arts, I particularly like the read aloud plays, especially as you're heading into the last 4 weeks of school. This is a good fun thing to do. I would go Lexile high to low perhaps on this to find some good ones. Trojan Women, Archimedes and the Siege of Syracuse. These look particularly suited to 6th grade. And here they are. So read aloud, play. I wonder if we can listen to it.
Magazine Lexile measure.
Yes, we can. Also listen to this out loud.
October 2000.
In the educators' resources as well, the maps. The maps section gives you some more visual literacy and reading for information opportunities. There's outline maps that you can print. There are Some pretty great world history and historic maps available. And in Skills Discoverer, which you will need Adobe Flash Player for, you have some interactive, skills-based tutorials that you can explore and have your students explore. And they go beyond SIRS Discoverer, as you can see. So these are just a few of the resources available in the Educators Resources from SIRS Discoverer, and I hope you enjoy playing with them.